How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a Kegel workout. A pelvic floor workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBird999. So the exercise that I'm going to be doing today is going to be glute bridges, one of my top 3 favorite exercises for doing pelvic floor. We'll do 7 reps. We'll do 10 sets, 70 total repetitions, which is quite a bit of volume in my opinion. I would say to do 10 reps, but sometimes this hurts my back. So we're just gonna stick with 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like that. First set, done. Whew. Doing pretty damn good on the videos, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna count real quick. #13th video. Whew. Not bad, not bad. Would like to get 15 done before I go. Gotta leave at 4:30, so that's 40 minutes. Would like to get another 2 videos after this done, which should be possible. I should be able to upload this by 10 after 4, make another video. It'll be tight, but should be able to. So yeah, I was trying to limit my calories because we're going for supper at 7 o'clock tonight. So it's probably gonna be a big supper, lots of yummy food, which I like. The only issue is I am cutting weight. So what I've been doing is I've been limiting my calories all day. And it's almost 4 o'clock. I've only had, up until about 10 minutes ago, I only had 170 calories all day. I just had a little snack right now. I had chips, 1 serving of chips and an apple. So about 300 calories. So I'm sitting at about 470 right now. I'm allowed 2,300 in the day. So I'm assuming I won't eat more than 1,500 calories at supper, which is a lot. So I think I'll be around 1,200-1,300. So even if I'm on 1,200-1,300, that's still like 1,800 for the day, which is good. I will hit 2,300 on the weekend, but generally I try to hit 2,100 just because on the weekend I'm not doing as much as when I'm working. So whatever calories I get today, I won't know because again, I'm not going to be able to weigh my food. It should be fine. It's not going to make or break my diet. It's not going to hurt my diet in any way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But my stomach just growled. But again, you don't want to be doing this frequently. Doing it every once in a while isn't bad. But again, if you're doing like a big supper, I recommend limiting calories throughout the day. I was close to only having 170 calories, but I was just dying of hunger. So I had to have a little snack. Still got 3 hours left probably before we have supper. So hopefully this little snack carries me another 3 hours. I am having a little bit of coffee too. So there's a little bit of calories in that because I put sugar and cream. And yeah, shouldn't be too bad. Do another 7 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. But yeah, pretty eventful day so far, I would say. Got up at 6, made videos till 8:30, went to the doctor, dropped off my prescription, went to Walmart to get groceries, came home, dad and brother came over, chilled with them for about an hour, had coffee with them, then went for a scenic drive. Now I'm home making videos again. Then another half an hour going out for supper. So yeah, very, very eventful, very eventful. No time to really just relax a little bit. I mean, I could not do videos, but I like making my videos, so by the end of the night, I should have some time to relax. Again, I picked this amount of videos because I just picked random amount of videos to do on the week, and I thought 18 would be a decent amount. That is quite a bit of videos, but I figured 2 to 2.5 hours in the morning, 2 to 2.5 hours at night. So that's 4 to 5 hours, which isn't too bad because considering I was doing schooling for that amount of time when I was doing school. So that's not too bad in my opinion, 4 or 5 hours. But it's something I enjoy doing. If I was doing schooling, I hate doing schooling. So that 4 hours seemed like freaking forever. But doing YouTube videos, I mean, it literally flies by. Like, I mean, I made 13 videos already today, and it doesn't even feel like I made 3. Like, it just goes by so quickly. Now there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have been thinking about incorporating some more video topics into my channel. The first one that comes to mind is arm fat. A lot of people want to get rid of the arm fat, so I'm thinking about that. I was thinking possibly neck fat, but I don't know about that, like underneath your neck. Like right underneath your, like right here, your neck area. I don't know about that one yet. I'd have to do some more research into that, but I would need one more too. I'd like one more, but the only thing I could think of would be back fat. And I don't know how popular that is, to be honest, so. I guess what I could do is include back and hip fat together, and that might actually work. Add arm fat, add hip and back fat, and then add in, what the hell did I say? I can't even remember the other one. What did I say? Arm fat, hip, and, oh, neck fat possibly. I don't know about neck fat. Hip and back fat might actually be pretty good, and the arm fat might be good too. So I might consider adding those in. Just because I already got a decent amount of workouts in, but I like to expand it just a little bit, I think. Let's do another 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more set, and then we are done, my friends. Then I can move on to my ab workout. But yeah, I think that little snack helped me. I'm feeling not as hungry now. It was an apple and a serving of chips. So again, 300 calories. That's a decent snack. That's not too bad. And it should be able to hold me till 3 hours. And then when 7 comes, I am going to destroy. We're having pizza, so I am going to frickin' destroy that. And probably cake too. So we're gonna have pizza and cake. Whew, it's gonna be so yummy. It's gonna raise my leptin levels too. So if you get pretty lean when you're cutting weight, you can do a refeed day and it'll raise your leptin levels and it'll raise your metabolism. So I can kind of consider this a refeed day. Depending how many calories I hit. Generally with refeed days, you eat at about maintenance. So my maintenance would be about 2,800 calories. So even if I went over on my calories today, let's say I need 2,300 and I'm currently at about 450. If I would eat, say, 2,000 calories for supper, that would put me at 2,450. That'd be 150 calories over what I need. I would still lose weight with that amount of calories. It just wouldn't be as much weight. But even if I hit 2,800 calories, let's just say I had 2,400 calories at supper, which I highly doubt, like seriously impossible, then it would just be maintenance. So I actually wouldn't gain any weight. I would just maintain my weight. So that wouldn't be bad either. That's probably what I have to start implementing soon as I get leaner, but that's a different story. end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks.